How's it going? My name is Tim. Welcome back to my shop, and today we are going to finally finish up this mirror frame that we've been working on. Last time we ended with the wood stain and the finish, so now it's just time to button everything up, get the mirror in, and mount it to the wall. I'm using a thin sheet of plywood for the backer board, and I wish I had a piece that wasn't so bowed, but since we're staying at home and this is what I have in the shop, I figured I would just use it. To hold it in place, I have these little walnut pieces that I'm just screwing down. They can swivel in and out to take it off if needed. And there's nothing like drilling a hole in your project that took 2 weeks. Hopefully I don't go too deep. Next step is adding the LEDs around the edge. And this is just the adhesive back LED strip. These are the soft white, which match the soft white bulbs that I have in the overhead lights. They're going to be connected directly to the wall power with a dimmer. So when the overhead lights are dimmed, the LEDs on the mirror frame also dim. I'm going to hang it on the wall with simple French cleats. These are plenty strong enough to hold the mirror up. It also makes it relatively easy to take it on and off. And that's it for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think about the project down in the comments, and I'll see you next time.